Hey everybody! Dodge has officially unveiled the all-new Charger muscle car, and it no longer uses gasoline. To be exact, the gasoline version of the new Charger will be the car with a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an output of 420 or 550 horsepower will appear next year, but now the electric car is presented. The 2024 electric Dodge Charger Daytona 2024 debuted in 2 versions, the RT and Scat Pack. Both are built on a 400-volt platform and feature a 100.5 kilowatt-hours traction battery. The Charger Daytona 2024 is the first car on the Stellantis STLA Large platform. The creators say that the weight distribution is almost 50-50. Such almost ideal distribution of mass, of course, is good. But the bad thing is that the car turned out to be heavy. The weight of the 2-door is 2,628 kilograms. To somehow compensate for this, the developers have installed the widest tires from commercially available for Charger. Also, the car received 16-inch Brembo brake discs in front with 6-piston calipers. When Dodge head Tim Kuniski was asked about range during the presentation, he said, "I don't care, it's about power." And indeed, oil cars are not the cars that set records for fuel economy, and going electric doesn't change that. Nevertheless, for a powerful car is declared quite a decent range. 510 kilometers or 320 miles for Dodge Charger Daytona RT with a capacity of 496 horsepower and 418 kilometers or 260 miles for Dodge Charger Daytona Scat Pack with a capacity of 670 horsepower. All-wheel drive in both versions. The Charger Daytona RT accelerates to 60 mph or 96.5 kilometers per hour in 4.7 seconds and covers the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds. The Charger Daytona Scat Pack is more dynamic at 3.3 and 11.5 seconds respectively. The car has special modes for drifting and tire warm-up. What's a muscle car without a loud exhaust? You'll be surprised, but the Charger Daytona EV can growl just like before. Only now it'll mimic the sound of a V8 engine. This function is taken over by the Fratsonic sound system, with speakers and a special exhaust pipe. Dodge says that Charger Daytona is as loud as Hellcat, but specialists are still working on the character of sound. Dodge Charger Daytona is equipped with a digital dashboard with a 10.25-inch diagonal screen and 16-inch screen for extra charge. Also, media system with a 12.3-inch screen, adaptive cruise control, climate control, blind spot monitoring system, and various other driver assistance systems. A projection screen is an extra charge. Dodge Charger Daytona will go on sale in the US this summer. The 4-door version will be released no earlier than the first quarter of 2025. Around the same time, production of the new Charger with a gasoline engine will start. The expected cost of the electric oil car is not less than $50,000.